This course is based on the case study methodology. What is a case study? It's an opportunity to discuss a significant business issue or multiple issues. A case study normally has sufficient information to support conclusions, and there are no stated conclusions on most case studies. Some case studies raise problems. They could be unexplained outcomes or issues with performance, a company that is not growing fast enough, an organization that is losing talent, poor profitability are good examples of that. Other case studies are related to decisions. Is the comparison of options a criteria to be used in making a decision? What is relevant evidence? Some other studies are associated with evaluations in which we make a judgment. And finally, other case studies relate to rules, ways to complete processes. Those are not as frequent. A requirement for this course is the completion of a case study for every one of the modules. The case study should be written observing APA style. They should have no less than 1,200 words of original material. Of course, that does not include paragraphs on background, references, titles, graphs, and tables. The originality of the submissions will be tested electronically. The use of exhibits such as diagrams, tables, and charts is highly encouraged to illustrate statements. They should be referenced in the text, and the source of the information should be stated. The language used in essays must follow academic and business style. Statements and opinions must be supported with evidence, reference, or experience. Every essay should move from an introduction into a body and a conclusion. The introduction should be generic and should contain a thesis. The body of the essay is a sequence of content sections. We have a specific structure for this course that you should follow. The conclusion should summarize the content of the essay, leading to the confirmation of the thesis stated in the introduction. The essay structure for this course, aside from the introduction, conclusion, and references common to APA essays, should have a summary of the case study, a problem definition, data collection and assumptions, the formulation of the model, the validation of the model, and very importantly, the interpretation of the results obtained from the model. This structure follows the framework discussed earlier in this module. Look for a document containing the essay writing guidelines provided in the course material. You are also encouraged to use the provided case study essay template. Check the grading rubric in the essay writing guidelines. This will be used to provide feedback to you as well as to grade your submissions. Contact your instructor for additional questions.